Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's question comes from Shayna and it deals with division of her spouse's retirement during their divorce. Before I get started with that, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, don't hesitate, go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So the specific question from Shayna is, can she get half of her husband's retirement in her divorce? The question, and the answer to this question is, it depends. Generally, because Nevada is a community property state, anything that is earned during the marriage is generally divided down the middle, equally distributed. However, with a retirement account, a 401k, an IRA, things like this, they are divided equally, but only for for the time of the marriage. So not, if your spouse had the retirement prior to marriage and then you got married and the retirement continued to be funded during the marriage for 10 more years, you are entitled to half of the retirement fund for the time of the marriage. So anything prior to the 10 years of marriage goes as separate property to your spouse, but anything after the 10 years that has been accrued during the marriage is equally split down the middle. In order to divide a retirement account, a 401k and IRA, we do what is called a quadro, a qualified domestic relations order. This is something that is put in place in your divorce decree that gives your pension company direction on how and how much to divide for the pension. This is typically not funded until after the retirement time. So you have to wait until you're eligible for retirement to be able to get this money. However, there are exceptions to this rule. If, for example, one of the spouses is very financially destitute, then the court might order that those funds are distributed early on and not having to wait until later since one of the parties is destitute. So again, your husband-wife's retirement account can be equally divided for the time that you were married, if that money was earned during the marriage. I hope this has cleared up and answered this question for you, Shayna. And if you want to discuss this further, please give me a call or go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you know somebody who can benefit from this information, please don't hesitate and go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com, share this information with them. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.